Page 2. Number 13, for what value of m is this fraction, 2m plus 3 over 4m plus 8, undefined? Well, a fraction is undefined when the denominator is 0, because if you have like 8 over 0, you can't divide 0 into 8, so it's undefined. So we're interested in the denominator being 0, because that's where it wouldn't work. So let's take the 4m plus 8, and we know it can't be 0, so we'll solve it. Subtract 8. We get 4m can't be a negative 8, divide by 4. So m can't be negative 2. Now negative 2 is the only number that won't work in the denominator. It doesn't matter the numerator, because the numerator can be anything. If I put negative 2 in and check it, I get negative 4 plus 3, which is negative 1 over 0, which is the undefined. Number 14, write an equation of the graphed line in slope-intercept form. So I need the slope, and I need the y-intercept. Well, the y-intercept's pretty easy because I can see that the line crosses the y-axis at positive 3. And I need a slope. Well, it's coming down, so I know it's going to be negative, and I would prefer 2 points to find the slope, either by using the formula or by just doing my rise and run. And I'm going to use this one. That's about the only 2 I have. So when I do my triangle, I'm going to go down 3. And I'm going to go right 4. Now, I could have gone right 4, down 3. It's still going to get the same relationship because my rise is the negative 3 and my run is the positive 4. So if I know the slope and the y-intercept, I'm going to plug them in. The slope goes right here and the y-intercept goes right here. Y equals negative 3/4 x plus 3. Number 15, let's solve this equation. I'm going to do my work over here to the right. I've got negative 16 plus 2x, and I'm going to distribute this negative 6 and get negative 18x plus 24. I like to move my x's first. I'm going to add the 18x to both sides. I get negative 16 is equal to negative 16 plus 20x is equal to 24. Let's add 16, and I get 20x is equal to 40. Divide by 20, x equals positive 2. Number 16, solving this equation, I'm going to subtract my 9 and get negative 21 is equal to 7x. Divide by 7, and I get x is equal to negative 3. A clothing store purchases t-shirts for $5 and then marks up the price of each by 25%. What is the markup and what is the new price? So let's take 25% of the $5, and I'm going to use the 25% as a decimal, and I'm going to use just the 5. That makes the arithmetic a little bit easier. I don't have to fool with those zeros. 25, 2, carry 2, so we've got 10, 12. With 2 decimal places. So we're going to mark the t-shirts up $1.25. That's my markup. So if it starts at 5 and we add the $1.25, then we're going to sell the t-shirts for $6.25. Number 18. Randy reads a book at a constant speed as shown in the table below. What is the rate of change? Rate of change in this case will be pages per minute. It's the change in the y's over the changes in the x's. It's slope. That's exactly what it is. So the rate of change is equal to, and I'm going to use these two, so I'm going to do 20 minus 10 over 10 minus 5, which is 10 over 5, which is 2, and don't forget your units, pages per minute. Number 19, write in slope y-intercept form the equation of a line that has a slope of 4 and passes through the point negative 3, 5. Well, you need the slope, point slope formula, as it mentions in the formula, which is y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. Well, my x sub 1, y sub 1 is this point, and my slope is my 4. So we'll just plug in y minus 5 is equal to 4 times x. Now, I'm going to go ahead and distribute that negative, or multiply that negative, because I've got minus a negative 3, so I'm going to go ahead and put plus 3 there. Now let's distribute, and we get y minus 5 is equal to 4x plus 12. Add the 5, and we get y is equal to 4x plus 17. And the last one, find the common difference in the next two terms in this arithmetic sequence. In arithmetic sequence, you're adding something to get the next term. Well, if you look at this, to get from 6 to 1, I'm adding a negative 5, and then plus negative 5 plus negative 5. So the D is the negative 5. So negative 9, I'm just going to put me some blanks here. Negative 9 plus negative 5 is negative 14, and negative 14 plus negative 5 is negative 19.